In this video, I'm going to show how I determine the percentage that students are ahead or behind. So when I brought up my progress, I have the percent complete, weeks active. So I'm going to add a couple of columns here. Now we know that it's multiplied by 6 because over a 16-week course that gives us right about 90 or 100%. So I'm going to multiply, bring the 6 down for all the weeks active. And then I'm going to multiply the E column times the F column, and you simply put in the G column equals E2 times the asterisk sign F2. And then hit the handle, click it, and bring it down for all those. So this is the percentage they should be complete. Okay? Now I'm going to insert another column, and I'm going to subtract the D column from the G column. And to do that, you simply go to the H column, type in equal sign, D2 minus G2, and that tells you what percentage they are ahead or behind. Simply click on the handle again, and then that'll tell you whether they're ahead, behind, or not. I usually call this the pace column. Another thing I do is if you look on the actual numbers, it'll show the formula. So what I do is I copy that and then paste it, just hitting values. So now what I can do is I can highlight the whole sheet, and under the paste column, and go from smallest to largest. And here we have some who are way behind, and Zaina, I'm sure you're going to love this. But that gives you an idea. Now, one of the reasons some of these are so far behind is because of the winter break. So in this column, in this other one, I'm going to show you how to figure out what they should be. So I'm going to subtract weeks active. I'll just throw in a couple of columns. So I want to do equals E2 minus 2. And that's subtracting, excuse me, that's subtracting the winter break weeks. Again, if you click on that, it's just showing the formula. So I'm going to copy that and paste it as the values. So now I want to multiply that by 6. So I'm going to do, in this column, equals F2 times the asterisk 6. Okay? Again, it shows you the formula, so I'm just going to copy and paste it as a value. And now over here, I can see what the percentage is by simply going equal sign D2 minus G2, which is the column of where they should be. So now it doesn't look as bad. Again, I usually call it pace. You can call it whatever you want. I'm going to highlight it. And now I see this student is more like 15% behind, which still isn't great. but it gives you an idea where you need to concentrate. I also have a timeline that I do that where they should be at whatever week, so I can text them, the parents, and let them know how far behind they are. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.